is a very common problem all over the world. About 10% people suffer this problem in the USA and India. High blood sugar is the main cause of this problem. Diabetes has 3 types, and every type is harmful for human health. Type 1 diabetes usually happens below the age of 20, and type 2 diabetes is the most common than others type. Gestational diabetes means pregnancy diabetes. Commonly, pregnant women get this type of diabetes. There are a few natural home remedies that can reduce the risk of diabetes. Aloe vera is a very useful natural element, and it decreases the high blood sugar levels. Today in this video, I will show you that how to make aloe vera juice. If you are new in the channel, you can subscribe to the channel because it can be a great collection for you. Many studies said aloe vera is a natural component and it reduces the risk of diabetes. If you take an aloe vera juice regularly, it can control your high glucose and high blood sugar. Aloe vera gel may reduce inflammation symptoms and it treats inflammatory bowel disease. Now, watch how to make an aloe vera juice perfectly. Dear viewers, if you have any other question about this topic, you can comment in this video. And finally, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get our next videos. Thank you.